Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we break down the latest and greatest in tech and home appliances. Today, we're looking at the GreenWorks GRV-5011 robot vacuum cleaner with DToF laser navigation technology. This robot vacuum claims to provide advanced navigation, high-performance cleaning, and multi-surface adaptability. Let's explore whether it lives up to those promises. The GreenWorks GRV-5011 is packed with features that are designed to make cleaning as effortless as possible. First, let's talk about its DToF laser navigation. This technology offers 4x more accuracy and 2x more coverage than traditional sensors, making it ideal for mapping out your home with precision. With the ability to detect and avoid obstacles through its innovative 3D laser sensor, this vacuum can glide around furniture, walls, and other obstacles with near-perfect accuracy, ensuring zero collisions while in motion. Its ultra-thin body, just 3.3 inches tall, can easily slip under furniture like beds and sofas, getting into those hard-to-reach places where dirt tends to hide. This combination of laser precision and a slim design means that it doesn't miss a spot, and your home stays cleaner for longer. When it comes to performance, the GRV-5011 offers a range of cleaning levels to suit your needs. Whether you're cleaning fine dust, pet hair, or larger debris, it has 5 cleaning levels, from drag D for lighter dusting, to quiet mode, all the way up to maximum suction for heavy-duty cleaning. With a suction power of up to 8,000 PA, this robot vacuum can handle everything from delicate hardwood floors to deep pile carpets. Plus, the cleaning modes are customizable through the SmartG app, giving you control over how the vacuum cleans your space. If you're dealing with pet hair, this model should definitely be on your radar, as it is designed to lift even the most stubborn hair from multiple surfaces. One standout feature of the GRV-5011 is its 2-in-1 functionality, which means it can vacuum and mop simultaneously. The vacuum comes with a 350 milliliter water tank that offers 4 adjustable water flow levels, from dry mopping to high water flow for stubborn messes. This dual action system is perfect for households with hard floors, as it combines dry and wet cleaning in one pass, saving you time and effort. It's especially useful if you're tired of switching between vacuuming and mopping, or need a quick cleanup. In terms of usability, the GRV-5011's app integration allows you to schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, and control the water flow for mopping. It's a user-friendly experience that lets you tailor the cleaning process based on your home's needs. Battery life is also a plus, with the vacuum running for a solid duration on a full charge, allowing it to cover a significant area before needing to recharge. It's also easy to maintain, with the dustbin and water tank both being simple to empty and clean. On the downside, it's important to keep in mind that the GRV-5011, like many robot vacuums, may struggle with high-pile carpets, where it may require additional passes to thoroughly clean. Its performance on deep carpet may not rival that of more powerful uprights, but for regular home use with mixed surfaces, it should do a solid job. Also, while the mopping function is convenient, it's best suited for light cleaning. It won't replace a traditional mop if you need to scrub particularly dirty floors, but it's excellent for maintaining cleanliness. When comparing the GreenWorks GRV-5011 to other similar robot vacuums in this price range, it stands out due to its laser navigation, dual mopping vacuuming feature. Competing models like the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus or the Eufy RoboVac G30 do offer solid cleaning performance, but neither has the combination of features that this GreenWorks model brings to the table. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus offers great mapping and scheduling features, but it lacks the integrated mopping function, making it less versatile for all-around home care. The Eufy RoboVac G30, while budget-friendly, lacks the laser navigation and the same level of powerful suction, making it a less accurate option for cleaning corners or under furniture. As for build quality, the GreenWorks GRV-5011 feels sturdy but not overly heavy, and its slim design makes it easy to store when not in use. The materials feel solid enough for everyday use, though the dustbin and water tank are plastic, which could wear over time with heavy handling. Maintenance is fairly straightforward, with the dustbin being easy to empty and the mop cloth being washable and reusable. The filters are also simple to replace, although it's important to do so regularly to keep the vacuum performing at its best. For anyone considering whether this vacuum is worth the price, the GRV-5011 offers solid value. It combines high-end laser navigation, multiple cleaning modes, and an integrated mopping feature, which is hard to beat in this price range. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that does more than just vacuuming and can handle multiple floor types while cutting down on manual cleaning time, this model is definitely worth considering. However, if you have deep pile carpets or need a vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks regularly, you may want to consider alternatives with more powerful suction, specifically designed for those surfaces. All in all, the GreenWorks GRV-5011 is best suited for households that need a versatile and convenient cleaning tool. It's particularly well suited for those with hard floors, pet hair, and a need for light mopping. Its slim profile and smart navigation system make it perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach spaces. While it's not ideal for high-pile carpets, its overall performance is impressive for most homes, especially those seeking a robot vacuum that combines convenience and versatility.